If you have no idea about makeup, if you don't know what you're doing, if makeup confuses you, or if you feel like it's too time consuming, too many steps, you're in the right place. Because I was in the same boat as you. I'm a busy mom. I don't have a lot of time. I see all these beautiful tutorials on here, but like as a makeup beginner, it's too much. Like I can't follow them. Take these simple steps. Contour around your hairline, your cheekbone, your jawline, and then throw some contour on the sides of your nose. This is going to help to give a slimming effect. Also, if you're a busy mom like me, I have 5 kids. I'm always on the go. My middle child just texted me, "Mom, when are you picking me up from school?" Meanwhile, I have my twins. They're 3. I just put them down for a nap. Busy moms, stand up. Let me see you. Drop something in the comments. Let me know that we're all here for each other. I don't know if you noticed, but I literally just put on my whole face. Contour, concealer, foundation. I just plopped it on, filled in the gaps. Now it's time to blend this out. There are some beautiful makeup tutorials on here, but there is no way that I can spend, like 30 minutes on makeup, y'all. I cannot do it. I take 5 minutes, as I said, when my twins take a nap, to get myself together and make myself feel a little pretty. By the way, this makeup is cream. That's why it blends so super easily. I hope that's why you landed on my page, because you need something like simple and easy. And y'all, for 2024, we are going to do this thing so easily. So if you feel like you're bad at makeup or you really don't know what to do with it, what's your biggest struggle? Can you tell me in the comments? I genuinely want to know, because I love to help women feel more confident. I love to help women with makeup. I was never good at makeup. Like I always used to struggle. Like it's so expensive and there's so many steps. Like where the heck do you put all those products? And like, why does it take so long to do? I don't know about you, but I always used to have to go into the drugstore and like guess my way around trying to find the right color, especially the right foundation color. And then you have to like go and return 50 million products and then try to find something else. Like who has the time for that? But guess what, sis? I'm actually going to pick out your colors for you. I'm going to teach you how to apply your makeup quickly and easily. Y'all. Also, did you know that this was a thing? This like all-in-one makeup? Because I used to be like digging around through like this crowded makeup bag, looking for like one product, and it would take forever to find the one product. And like, that's where all your application time goes. Sis, when I tell you this makeup is amazing, not because it all fits right in this one compact or that it takes 5 minutes to apply, but look at your skin. Your skin is going to be the most beautiful, the most glowy thing that you've ever seen. Especially if you're over 40 like me. I'm 41 and this makeup does absolute wonders for my skin. I feel like I'm just aging backwards. With cream makeup, there's no settling into the fine lines. There's no creasing, there's no cracking, there's no caking. And to be honest with you, you're actually gonna notice that your makeup feels supple and hydrating. It's going to meld to your skin. It's going to be working on your skin all day, and it's actually going to look more beautiful throughout the day. So many women have made the switch to this makeup, and we all like joke that we found the fountain of youth, especially if you're like 35, 40. I also feel like I've been given the gift of time, because it just takes like 5 minutes. You're not going to believe how much it costs. It's actually really affordable. My foundation color is $16. Yes. So from someone who used to avoid makeup at all costs, you can definitely do this. Comment the word match and we can build your custom compact just for you. All skin tones, all skin complexions, all skin issues, whatever you need, we can make it happen. Let's get you easy makeup for 2024.